In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Ubersuggest plugin on YouTube in 2005 with a complete step-by-step guide. So let's dive in and make your YouTube keyword research a breeze. The first thing you need to do is install the Ubersuggest plugin. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have Chrome open, go ahead and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Ubersuggest SEO and Keyword Tool. You should see it pop up in the search results. From there, click on Add to Chrome and follow it up by selecting Add Extension to confirm the installation. After this, make sure to sign in using your Google or email account to successfully connect the plugin to your account. This setup is crucial as it ensures that you have the proper access to all of the plugin's features. Now that you have the Ubersuggest extension installed and ready to go, it's time to open YouTube, which you can do by simply heading to youtube.com on your browser. In the YouTube search bar, type in your topic or keyword. For example, you might search for topics like digital marketing, fitness tips, or gaming setup 2025. It's always a good idea to explore different variations to see the broad spectrum of search trends on the platform. Next, you want to customize your Ubersuggest settings to your specific target market. Click on the Ubersuggest icon located in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Head over to Settings and select Country. Here, you'll choose the country you wish to target, like the United States, India, or the UK. Selecting the right geographical area is instrumental in delivering more accurate data based on location-specific search behavior. With that all set up, now comes the exciting part where you see the keyword data directly on YouTube. With each search, Ubersuggest will display keyword statistics right next to the search box or video list. You'll be able to see the search volume, which indicates the average number of times a keyword is searched monthly, the SEO difficulty, which gives you insight into how hard it is to rank for that keyword, the cost per click, CPC, which shows the ad value, and related keyword ideas to expand your reach. These insights are pivotal to understanding what people are truly searching for on YouTube and can greatly inform your content strategy. Now, using this data, you can start optimizing your own videos. Cater your video titles and descriptions using the best performing keywords. For instance, you might change your title to something like Best Fitness Tips for Beginners 2025 and make sure to include important keywords in the first 150 characters of your description. Don't forget to add related keywords in your video tags to maximize reach. Aim for keywords that have a high search volume but low SEO difficulty for the best chances of ranking higher. Lastly, after uploading your video, continually track its performance. Use the plugin to stay updated on new keyword trends and refine your video titles, descriptions, or tags as needed to improve your rankings over time. With this methodical approach, leveraging Ubersuggest can enhance the visibility and success of your YouTube channel. Happy optimizing!